Okay, here's how you post a photo in your discussion board on Canvas. So in the discussion board section, when you hit reply, you'll have the option to hit embed image. There's a few options here. You can use the URL. And to use this option, you're going to search the internet for your picture, click on it. Over on this side, right click on the photo that you want, open the image in a new tab. That will open up a picture like this with this URL. It has to be this terminal photo, not the site that has words and descriptions. You will right click on this, copy it, go over to here, right click, and then paste it. And then when you hit the tab button, it'll automatically size it, and then you can hit update and post your photo inside here. Once it's in, you can then resize it down to the size that you would like. Okay, the other option when you hit the embed image is going to be to have uploaded the photo into Canvas. So when you click on Canvas, for it to be here, the step that you must do is to click right here on the user profile on this section here. It will open up this, go to your files, and then from the files you will be able to upload your photo into Canvas. So this one takes a couple extra steps on the student side. I apologize in advance, but that's just the way it is. When you get to here, go to the folder where, you can either create a new folder for this class. So we can just type it as, path photos. And then it'll show you a folder here. And then when you click on the upload button, you can find your photo. I don't have any path photos. I'll use one of my daughter here. Click on that photo, click open. It will upload it into, let's say it already exists because I had already uploaded it here a second ago. I'll just hit replace, and then in this case it'll be under the path photo. Under the path photos. And anyways, when we go back to the discussion board and you're going to embed it this way, click embed, go to Canvas, and then now it will show your photo. So here's your course files, my files. I'm going to click on it. It'll open up those path photos. Well, in this case I have it right there. And then click on that and then update. Again, it'll pull the photo into your post. And in this case, here's my little lady. And then you can size it down to the size that you would like. Okay. So those are the two options I would suggest using. If you use the third option with Flickr, they may not have your photos, but you can type in your keyword here and then search for it. And then we'll just delete this now. So those are your three options to embed a photo into Canvas.